P0012 code diagnosis. When your car has any problem, please connect your car to any scanner. Camshaft intake. Advanced set point not reached. Over, retarded. How to fix. Possible symptom. Erratic idle. Possible causes. Intake camshaft adjuster tight or stuck. Intake camshaft adjuster faulty. Possible solutions. Check intake camshaft adjuster. When the intake camshaft adjuster uses oil pressure, to control the adjuster, check the oil pressure. The 1.8 is notorious for issues at any engine with low oil pressure or restrictions in the system could result in various timing DTCs such as 1774, such as 17,000/P1340, P004928. Use output test, Meas, value blocks MVB and basic setting. If this video is useful to you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.